Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I will show you how you can record your MacBook screen. Is totally free. So you need to first open the command, search command, where I have already opened the QuickTime player, or if you don't, then press the Q, it's automatically open, then press OK. So you have a pop-up window, you need to cancel it, then put your scroll on your file up bar the menu, and here you have three options: new movie recording, new audio recording, new screen recording, whatever you want to do. In this case I want to go with new screen recording. Okay, then you have a certain, there is a certain of options. If you want some certain portion to record your screen, like I want to select this, and then look, you can drag and the portion which you want to record. So I'm going with the whole screen, so I do record, and then you have option to save, where you want to save documents, mail, whatever you want to do. And if you want to select some timer to initial the recording, so you can select it, but I'm not going to select anything, so I will save on my desktop. So I select the desktop, and then press the record button, and here you go. You can see here your recording is already start, and for the confirmation you can see what I'm doing here. Let's open the Safari. Here you can see it's just kind of example. Okay, no, it's enough. And you can see here is the your recording screen, and I will play it. Okay, this is a simple tutorial. Okay, if you do and want to share with someone, and you can also do, and I'm just done. And you can see here I did store on my desktop, and here you see my recording. So hopefully you learned something from it, and thanks for watching.